To use Apple Cash Card in stores, you need to have an iPhone or Apple Watch with the latest operating system and the Wallet app. First, make sure you have Apple Cash set up on your device by opening the Wallet app and tapping the plus sign to add a new card. Select Apple Cash and follow the prompts to set it up. Once Apple Cash is set up, you can add funds to your account using a debit or credit card. To do this, open the Wallet app, tap on your Apple Cash card, and select the Add Money option. Enter the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. To use Apple Cash in stores, you need to have your iPhone or Apple Watch nearby. Look for merchants that accept Apple Pay, as Apple Cash is linked to your Apple Pay account. When you are ready to make a purchase, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or bring your Apple Watch close to the contactless reader. On your iPhone, tap on your Apple Cash card and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. On your Apple Watch, double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay and select your Apple Cash card. The transaction will be processed, and the funds will be deducted from your Apple Cash account. You can also use Apple Cash to send and receive money from friends and family. To do this, open the Messages app and tap on the Apple Pay button. Select the amount you want to send in the recipient, and confirm the transaction. The recipient will receive the money in their Apple Cash account, and they can use it to make purchases or transfer it to their bank account. It is essential to keep your Apple Cash account secure by using a strong passcode and keeping your device and account information up to date. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In summary, using Apple Cash Card in stores is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy the benefits of using Apple Cash and take advantage of its features to send and receive money and make purchases with ease.